himself.
Onchudzinga. Oh, dispossessed by Guriram. Good hustling by the centre forward. Makunike wide onto Kangazi. They've got numbers in the box. Can he bring in a quality cross? Makunike. Makunike! 2-1. 2 for Makunike. 2 for Simba Bhora. Oh, take that! Oh my word! Oh, you gotta love it, man.
That was a brilliantly taken goal. Obviously, the beautiful cross coming in from Gangadzi, who for me has been one of the star players for Simba Bhora. But Junior Makunike still had quite a bit of work to do. The takedown and then the calmness and composure to slow it past by. This time around, doesn't need the assistance of a pitch. It was low, hard, and effective, and the crowd is